Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today we'll see how to create a headband with layered flower. First create chain 73. Make sure your chain is in multiples of 6 plus 1 and make sure your chain is not twisted, and then join with the first chain with a slip stitch. Chain 1, single crochet on the same stitch, and then leave 2 chains, do 5 double crochets, and then skip 2 chains, do 1 single crochet on the third, skip 2 chains, do 5 double crochet on the third chain, skip 2 chains, do a single crochet, continue working like this around. This gives us a scallop like design, so continue working like this around and join with the first stitch using a slip stitch and end this side. So we'll be working the same pattern other way around as well. So continue working like this till the end and then join with the first stitch using a slip stitch. Now we have end this side. So what I will be doing is we'll do is turn the work, do a slip stitch so that you can reach to the other side, and then chain 1 turn, do a single crochet on the same stitch, and then work 5 double crochet on the place where we've worked 5 double crochet already on the other side, and then work single crochet on the same place where we have worked single crochet on the other side. So you can see the beautiful scallop formations now. So continue working like this throughout this row. And we'll be ending this row with a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. We're almost going to finish this side, almost going to finish the headband as well. And then work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet and leave a long tail for sewing, and then you can secure your knot. Our headband is now ready. Just cut off the excess yarn and secure your knots. This is a very basic, simple headband. Please try this at home. Now I will be attaching the layered flower, which we have seen already in our previous video. If not, please go ahead and watch it if you prefer to attach the flower. So I am attaching that flower to this headband. I'll be sewing it with the long tail of yarn which we have left. So I've also added a pearl to give a cute look, and then secure your knots. So our simple beautiful headband with layer flower is now ready. So attached here is a sizing guide for your headbands, which you can take a screenshot and use it. Please try this at home and do not forget to subscribe to Yarn Bowl. Thank you.